Good evening, my wonderful second graders. So today we're going to learn a quick mini lesson of the picture word inductive, okay? Basically, you're going to take a look at pictures. We're going to associate the pictures with the words, okay? Now, we're going to take a little trip, basically, all right? We are going to be boarding a plane. But before we can board, we must what? We must pack our things, right? We have to have items in a suitcase when we go out of town. So, on this first picture, I labeled some words here, okay? But we're only going to do a few words so you can kind of get the hang of it and how it's going to go, okay? So, I want you to repeat each item after me, each word after me, and each letter after me, and then we're going to repeat the word again, okay? All right, let's go. So the first one is that I'm going to choose are pants. This can be pants or jeans, okay? We're going to go ahead and do jeans, okay? Okay, so I want you to say the word jeans. Great job. Now I'm going to say each letter, and I want you to repeat after me. J, E, A, N. Good job. Now repeat jeans. S. Sorry about it. I forgot that S. S. Now repeat the word again. Jeans. Good job. Next we have a pair of eyeglasses. Okay? So everyone say eyeglasses. Okay, let's spell eyeglasses. E, Y, E, G, L, A, S, S, E, S. Eyeglasses. Good job. Okay, let's take a look at this word. What picture is this? This is a what? That's right. If you said suitcase, you are correct. Suitcase. Everyone say suitcase. All right. Remember to repeat after me with each letter. S, U, I, T, C, A, S, E. That's correct. Suitcase. Okay. The next picture I see is a brush. Everyone say brush. Brush. Let's spell the word together. B, R, U, S, H. Brush. All right. And let's go up to, let's choose this one. I'm pointing at the headphones. Everyone say headphones. All right. Repeat after me. H, E, A, D, P, H, O, N, E, S. Headphones. Good job. All right, and what about this next to it? Looks like a lotion bottle. Could be a cream bottle. But the sun is a giveaway on that bottle. Okay? So let's go ahead. That is sunscreen. Everybody repeat sunscreen. Good job. Let's spell the word together. S, U, N, S, C, R, E, E, N. Sunscreen. Good job. Okay. And let's do one more. Okay, let's do one more. We are going to do this one, the first aid kit. Everyone say first aid kit. All right, let's spell it together. F, I, R, S, T, A, I, D, K, I, T. First aid kit. Now, if we were in a classroom setting, we will get a chance to do every last one of these boxes and fill them with words. Okay? All right. And remember, I gave you this handout before you left class. So you should have this exact same handout. And you can also finish this up at home with labeling those words with your parents, okay? All right, and on the next picture, I actually have where we're ready to hit the airport. We're in the airport, we're ready to board the plane, and I also label a few words as well. Okay, I just labeled 3 words as well. Everybody repeat floor. Let's spell it Floor. Floor. And what about this one? Purse. 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 Okay, so when it's time for grouping, I want you to look back at your picture chart. Okay, look back at your picture chart, and this is when we're going to start grouping words. Okay, so this is how it's going to go. This is going to be a quick example, because what I want you to do as a class, because I want you to bring this into me tomorrow for a grade. Okay, I have at the bottom here, I said, list the words that have I as a vowel. Okay, so what you're going to go back up and do, you're going to go back up to your picture chart. Okay, after you have completed it with your parents and naming each item in the picture, and you are going to choose words that have an I. The vowel, the I, the letter I, the vowel in the word. Okay, so I don't think we really chose one except for first aid kit. That's one. Okay, so what you would do, we go back to your chart that you will have that I provided for you with the handout, and you're going to type first aid kit. Okay, first aid kit. Go back up to your picture chart, and we have shirt. So I want you to go ahead and label shirt if you haven't already. Everybody say shirt. Spell it together. SHIRT. Shirt. All right, good job. Okay, so we're going to add that to the list. SHIRT. All right, let's choose one more word. Okay, let's do pills. 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 All right, and let's add that to the list. Now, when you get ready to do the other side, though, this side will be, basically the right side, will be words that do not have a vowel in them. So, for example, let's go back to our picture chart, and you're going to choose a word. So let's choose jeans. Does jeans have an I in it? That's correct. No, it does not. So we're going to go back to our chart here, and we are going to type jeans. GEANS. Okay. Go back to your chart. What's another one? We have what? Sunscreen. Okay. Let's go and type sunscreen. SUNSCREEN. Okay. So this is just an example. What I want you to do, I want you to finish the picture chart like I stated earlier, and then you're going to finish grouping the words into categories. Okay. And remember, you can have your parents help you with this. Okay. Now, I gave you 2 charts to fill. Now, you're not going to do all 16 words. I think it's more than 16 words. Yeah, it pretty is. So I want to complete it for tomorrow. Well, you know what? Just do, I want a total of 5 words chosen. So 5 in each box, okay? So you're going to choose a list of words that have I as a vowel. Choose 5 words, and you're going to choose 5 words that don't. And then for the next your next grouping handout, you're going to choose words that list the beginning consonants. Okay, so list the beginning consonants like SUPA, like pat, cat, hat. So if you go back up to your chart, okay, and do words that either it can be SH, SU, like suitcase and sunscreen. Okay, those are two examples. So I'm going to write that example here. So sunscreen and then suitcase. All right. And then too, you're going to categorize words that are not. Now with this one, you don't have to do you don't have to choose the consonants, okay? You don't have to choose the consonants, okay? So you actually can group the words in many different ways. So for example, I'm going to give you an example. If we go back and look at the picture chart, I started, while we were doing it as a class, I started to know an example, okay? So I started to know a trend. That trend was, we have a lot of words, a lot of pictures on this chart that two words are being put together. So for instance, like eyeglasses. So eye can be one word, glasses can be one word, and we put them together, we have eyeglasses. We also have suitcase, suit, and then case was put together to create a word. We have sunscreen, sun, S-U-N, then screen, S-C-R-E-E-N. Okay, so those are kind of little things to look out for when you are labeling your chart. You don't have to choose a consonant. You can also just group the words together of two words that created one word. Okay, and so many different ways to group these words. Now that you kind of got a little hang about it, you kind of got a little feel as to what this is about. I want you to create a title. So I want you to think about the word charts above. What title can you create from the word chart? So I want you to think about that. Okay? You are going to create a title from the word chart. After you have created your chart, you will then create sentences. I want 8 sentences created. Okay? So remember, you're going to finish labeling the picture chart. Then you're going to group only do 5 words each side. Okay, 5 words, and then you're going to create your title, and then you are going to create sentences. Okay, just give me 4 sentences. Let's do 4. 8 is kind of a little steep. Okay, because I see you guys have a lot of work to do tonight. So you're going to do a total of 4 sentences. Okay, for example, you're going to go up to your word chart and you're going to choose any word you want. So let's say you chose suitcase. Okay, so then you are going to write a sentence about suitcase. So for example, you can say, I wanted to go to my friend's house, so my mom told me to pack my suitcase. Okay? And then I want you to underline the word suitcase. I want you to underline the word suitcase. So you're going to do 4 sentences. I'll do another sentence. You go up to your word chart. You go up to your word chart. And then you choose another word. Okay? So we're going to choose headphones. Okay? So you can say, remember, you're going to create your own sentences because you're going to bring those sentences to class. And we are going to read each sentences, and we are going to talk about the word again and repeat the word again, okay? So, headphones. So, my sentence is going to be, I like to listen to music using headphones, okay? So remember, I need 4 sentences. Remember to create your title, do your separate your words, group them together, and remember to label your picture chart. The only thing that you need to turn in tomorrow